Good day everyone. Today I will discussing the properties of water that make it essential for living organisms. Bago tayo magsimula, ano nga ba ang water? Ang water is the most abundant substance in the human body. In fact, about 62 to 70% of our body is made up of water. So, ang ibig sabihin daw ay ang pinaka-substance daw na kinakailangan daw ng katawan ng tao ay tubig. Tapos, ang percent daw nito ay 62 to 70% daw ay ang daw ng katawan natin ay tubig, ang laman or gawa, ganun. Tapos, every cell, tissue, and organ needs water to function properly. Yon. Para daw mag-function ang mga cell at tissue ay kinakailangan natin ng tubig para mag-function daw ng properly. Tapos, why is it important? Bakit mahalaga? Mahalaga ito dahil ito ay unique na mga properties. So, simulan natin sa pinakauna. Ang pinakauna natin ay polarity. A water molecule has one oxygen atom and hydrogen has 2 atoms. Ang oxygen daw ay mas nag-a-attract daw ng malakas kesa kay hydrogen, making one side of the molecule slightly negative and the other side is slightly positive. This allows water to dissolve many substances, which is why water is called the universal solvent. Nutrients, minerals, and waste products can dissolve in water and be transported throughout the body. For the second property, we have cohesion and adhesion. For the cohesion means water molecules stick to each other, and while adhesion means water sticks to other surfaces. These properties help move water through plants and also help blood flow efficiently through tiny blood vessels in our bodies. Third property is high specific heat capacity. Water can also absorb a large amount of heat before its temperature changes. This helps keep our body temperature stable even when the weather changes or during exercise. It also helps maintain a stable environment for living organisms. So, for the fourth property is high heat of evaporation. Water needs a lot of energy to change from liquid to gas. This is why sweating cools the body. As sweat evaporates, it carries heat away from the skin, preventing overheating. Let's move on to the fifth one. The fifth property is that ice is less dense than liquid water. Because of this, ice floats on water instead of sinking. The layer of ice on lakes and ponds acts like an insulator, keeping the water below warm enough for fish and other aquatic organisms to survive during cold seasons. Finally, water is excellent medium for chemical reactions. Many biochemical reactions such as digestions, metabolisms, and cellular respiration happen in water. Without water, this life process could not take place. For the conclusion, water is essential for life because of its unique properties. It is polar, acts as universal solvent, has cohesion and adhesion, has high specific heat and heat of evaporation, becomes less dense when frozen, and it provides the medium for important chemical reactions. These properties helps maintain life in humans, animals, plants, and all living organisms. Thank you for listening, and I am Enzo Michael A. Diaz, signing off.